Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Portland, Jamaica. Venice Burke of Portland, ladies and gentlemen. The law officials are investigating the possibility of her fatality.
Say hi to your friend.
We're watching Deep
Yeah, greetings in the name of the Most High, Emperor Haile Selassie, ladies and gentlemen. You know I'm Rastafari, soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Thank you for tuning in. If it's your first time tuning in to the Rastaman channel, I'm asking you to subscribe to the channel. Follow me on TikTok, ladies and gentlemen. The Portland police are waiting for the result of the post-mortem examination to assert the cause of death of an 8-year-old girl whose body was reportedly found with a plastic bag over her head at a home in the parish of Portland on Friday. The deceased is Venice Burke of West Baptist Avenue in the parish. Reports are that the child left school on Friday afternoon and went home where she was in the care of the supervision of a close family member. Indications are that at a point, the child became noticeably absent, and the relatives went to locate her and found the child lying unresponsive in a pool of urine on the floor in the section of the house. She was also reportedly seen with a plastic bag over her face. The child was rushed to the hospital where she was pronounced dead. Ladies and gentlemen, little Venice is the second child for this year that have died extremely questionable circumstances since Friday. I'm talking about I am so perturbed of the government and the population of Jamaica because of the blatant neglect for the children and the elderly, ladies and gentlemen. Just a few days ago, yes, another child, 8-year-old, Talia Thomas, or Thompson, because there's a conflicting report about the child's surname. But Talia, an 8-year-old girl that's in the second grade, just fourth student, Discovery Bay Primary School and Infantry School in St. Anne's, was raped and brutally murdered, reportedly by the neighbor in the Discovery Bay area on Saturday, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this beautiful, beautiful young lady. It is unbelievable that they would do this to a small child. Now, the community there in Discovery Bay is up in arms and asking for government to look into this young lady's, death. It's unfortunate as we look into the community of St. Anne's there in Discovery Bay. Conflicting reports did come out saying that the child surname was Thomas or Thompson. The police said that Thomas was her surname and Talia was an entry into the August staging of the mini Miss St. Anne's pageant, was entered into as her surname as Thompson. It is reported that about 3:15, this little Talia was left at the neighbor's house, and a man described as a family friend went to the house and took the child to his house. He allegedly raped the child, and the child had, inflicted several stab wounds to the upper body of the child. The suspect, who is said to be a sanitation worker, attempted to take his own life using a 9mm round. Ladies and gentlemen, the bullet exploded and it caused, abrasion to his forehead. After failing this effort to mortally injure himself, the neighbor later found the man stabbed himself with a knife. Little Talia was seen lying on the bed in a pool of blood. The police were alerted and both wounded persons were taken to the hospital, where Talia was pronounced dead and the male suspect was admitted and treated on the police guard. His medical condition is said to be stable. The police are expected to question the man in the upcoming days as their probe continue into the grisly development, ladies and gentlemen. This is another example of no love for the children, no love for the community, ladies and gentlemen. Another Jamaican child is being brutally taken from us. It is unfortunate. This time, ladies and gentlemen, it's another young woman. It's Venice Burke of Portland, and this is unfortunate. Unfortunate that we're having these kind of situations occurring to our children. It is a shame on the population of Jamaica. It is an embarrassment to the government, and it is a staunch reminder to the children and the families out there to stay safe and be aware of who you're leaving your children with, and children be aware of who are coming around and picking you up. It is unfortunate. Daniela Rowe met the same fate a few months ago, and I'm pleading to the Jamaican public, the Jamaican population, and the Jamaican public, take care of our children. Ladies and gentlemen, our children, our future. I'm highly perturbed, highly disappointed in the care of the children. We are not looking out for the welfare of the children enough. Where are the children advocates? Where are the children advocates? Why are so many Jamaican children are being taken advantage of, ladies and gentlemen? I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Leave your comment. I've been telling you now that there's many cereals in Jamaica, and me not talk about cornflakes and Cheerios. Me not talk about the Frost and Flakes. Me not even talk about banana porridge. I am talking about there are some serious psychopaths, narcissistic sociopaths amongst us in our population, and the Jamaican government keep on turning a blind eye. We need to use the death penalty or take Andrew Holness out of office. The criminals are being protected while the innocent victims are being left to be slaughtered. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. If it's your first time tuning in to the Rastaman channel, look at this young child, Venice Burke. Hit that red subscribe button. Share the content, ladies and gentlemen. If you know anyone that is participating on my island in these nasty, wicked action, me I tell you as a Rastaman, call 119 right away. Don't go on like you're blind, because if you turn a blind eye, you are as guilty as the criminal mind. And more life, and more joy, and more nappiness.
Big up Deep Roots TV, and big up everybody from Queens, New York. Don't know.
From Jamaica, she there, you see it?
Deep Roots TV. Deep Roots TV. I don't know. We got the whole of Jamaica. Annual district.
Right.
Deep Roots TV. Only TV.
Yo, big up Deep Roots TV. You don't know Lenky, no. See, we're out of fresh, clean, hustling mode. You don't know. You just come to my store still, you know what things say. Get to you, you know what thing go. You know rich and the real thing. And you mean action doing, action and plan. Deep Roots TV, you know what thing go. Yeah, big up.
Now me I say, this is Stash speaking. Big up Deep Root, the top boss, the peanut boss. Want big up Carwell. Want big up everybody, my friend them, me linky them. Big up yourself, Greg. There, you see it. Peanut man, the boss. Up there.
Deep Roots TV. Real
Deep
TV.
Root TV. Big up yourself.
Yeah man, big up the Deep Roots TV, Caution Sesame. Big up Deep Roots TV.
Yo, this one is for the youths. Yeah, you're watching Deep Roots. I know you're cute.
Deep Roots TV.
Big up Deep Roots TV.
Shout out to Deep Roots, bro.
Shout out Deep Roots TV.
Tune in to Deep Roots TV. Log in, subscribe, online, YouTube. Get there or be square. Jacob said that.
Log on to Deep Roots TV.